This is the engineering summary update for the sprint ending on December 21st, 2021. So this sprint, we've worked on gate flow, forms and workflows, payment notification, permissions, and a bunch of miscellaneous tasks. For gate flows, we worked on designs for multiple guest invitation at once. We also completed the ability for security guards to log exit for scan entries and removed the switch to the old logbook. We wanted to work on simplifying the registration process code, which is mainly a backend task, but we didn't get around to it. For forms and workflows, we completed the task detail split view. We can now list all the projects. We show the task and projects overview in split screen. We created a client/developer view for DRC and a processes page. We also show the document details for uploaded forms. For payment notification, we only display paid payments, and we wanted to work and complete assigning and unassigning plots to users. However, we are missing requirements for this task, and we will postpone it a little bit further. In terms of permissions, we removed all the backwards compatibility permissions for all modules. And in terms of miscellaneous tasks, we moved the CSV button on the user list page, which was causing problem on the mobile list user page. We completed at least 2 high cringy tickers. Most notably, the image now loads correctly, and we fixed the post size image on the user page, and we fixed the avatar alignment on the user settings page as well. In terms of query performance, we reduced by 30% the number of N+1 queries, and we added CRMO as an NTLC to Google Analytics. Next sprint will be very light, as it is the holiday period. We will work on gate flow, and we want to display the photos of visitors going through the gate. And we want to add the ability for security guards or admin to see all access hours for a guest, and finally simplify the registration process. For forms and workflow, we want to create a client role view for DRC and the ability to show the progress bar for completed tasks. And we found out that clients should not be able to access the community settings page, so we have a hotfix for that. And probably various task UX fixes. For miscellaneous tasks, we want to reduce the known vulnerabilities. So this sprint, we had 33 merge requests. In the sprint, we had 48 issues. We completed 39, and which means that there was 9 left open. In terms of code coverage, it hasn't moved from last sprint at 78.47%. So this sprint, we had we have right now, as it stands, 2 low cringy issues and 5 high cringy issues. And we have completed 5 cringy issues, low and high, this sprint. We had a few sick engineers this sprint, and we had to remove some complexity to complete the high priority tickets. We are now at about 15 known vulnerabilities, and we are researching ways to reduce the number down to less than 10. We will also be iterating on the process detail view this coming sprint, as the usability of the feature was not what we expected. For next, so in terms of actual versus goals, fairly simple. In terms of cut coverage, nothing really has changed. We're still a little bit below our goal, but in terms of merge requests, we were forecasting 22 merge requests, as engineers were not available to work, as they either fell sick or went on vacation. And so, but we had 33 merge requests. And for security, known vulnerabilities, we are now at 15 known vulnerabilities, and our goal is 10 vulnerabilities.